Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable Find You by your email address on X. So let's get started. Firstly, open X app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Privacy and Safety. Then scroll until you find Discoverability and Contacts. Then tap on it. After that, you can see the option of Find You by your email address at the top. Turn on it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can enable Find You by your email address on X. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.